Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and I'm super happy with the sink drain that I chose from Kohler.
So Kohler is definitely known for their high quality faucets and sink fixtures, and this one is no different. I'm really impressed with the quality of this drain piece. It is super solid and heavy duty. It's made from brass. It has a really nice weight to it, and you can tell that this is really built to last for a long time. I got this in a matte black finish to match the matte black Kohler faucet that we also installed in this farm sink, and I'm super happy with the results. So this drain works so well. The strainer has a stopper function built in, so with a simple twist you can stop up the drain if you want to fill the sink with water or quickly let it all out. It works very well, and I appreciate that the strainer has small enough holes that it really catches all kinds of food and debris before it goes down your drain, which could cause you problems. And this is overall just a really great choice.
So if you're looking to update or upgrade your sink drain, then I would highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.